Good morning from sunny South Florida. Today we're heading off to the Keys. Picked a good day to go because there's a cold front coming through. Cold front. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stay at Marco Island one night and then down to the Keys. So Bonnie, ready to go? Almost there. Leaving a little while. Meeting some friends and heading south. So keep watching. I'll show you some good times, in my opinion. See ya on the other side. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all shapes and sizes. Welcome to the Florida Keys. KOA Sugarloaf Key. Got a little of a stint here. It is March 14th is the beginning of our vacation here, or holiday, however you want to say it. And show you around this place. So far, so good. Minus all the wind we have because of a cold front that came through. Cold front. Stay around. You'll see what they have to offer. Alrighty, people, here we are at KOA Sugarloaf Key, southernmost KOA campground you can get, and let me tell you, pretty fantastic. Nicely centrally, not really centrally located, but nice hop, skip, and a jump down to Key West, which is roughly 20-30 minutes counting on traffic, and sometimes it can get you. Because most of the time it's 2 lanes, north and south. Good thing to remember, or good thing to do when you're here, is leave your campground, if you're here, at like 9:30, maybe a little earlier. Get some shade there. How we doing? There we go. Maybe leaving around 9, in between 9 and 10 o'clock. Leave anywhere in that area. So you get down there early enough, you get parking. First time we drove in, we just found a spot, parked there. And it was $30 for the day. Very tight parking. If you have a bigger vehicle when you're down here, do not park. Be careful where you park. Second day we went to the firehouse parking lot. For 10 hours is $40 or $5 an hour. So we chose the 10 hours. We knew we weren't going to be there that long, but it's to the firehouse, so that $40 is at least going to the firemen instead of just to someone's pocket, which everybody needs to make money. Number 2, we're here in March, spring break, week of the 15th, 14th, 2022. Windy as crazy when we got here. First 2 days, first 2.5, 3 days, windy as crazy. 20-mile-per-hour winds, gust up to 30. Now that the wind has died down, the temperature has risen to the 90s. No CMs. I don't know if you know about no CMs, but any of us from Florida, probably anywhere around water, know about no CMs. And good night, Irene. There is no CMs everywhere, and you are going to get bit up if you get bit by no CMs. They don't bug me much, but the queen bitten up all over the place. So just keep that in mind. Amazon has some natural no CM gone stuff I would highly recommend you get it before you come down here, period. Mosquitoes have not been an issue as of yet, but the no-see-em, speaking of them. So let me turn you around. That's all I got for you right now, but let's turn you around and show you this, what you got off the back, and then I'll show you the site, and then we'll walk around the park. Well, not all the way around the park. Show you the pool, show you the boat launch. Really cool things around here. No playground though. Just so you know, no playground, but they do have a pool. You do kind of got a beach. It's behind my site here, but it is public beach. It's just sand and rocks and water. We'll go take a look. And they got floaties sitting in there. Those CMs are already driving me nuts. So let's check this thing out. All right, this is straight off the back. And this is your beach. Down there is your marina. You can rent a boat. I believe the price right now for a pontoon boat carries 10 people roughly, about $400 for the day. Not too shabby. There's US 1. There's your floaty device. There was another one down there, but it must have broke loose and they took it in or got a hole in it or whatever. We rented a kayak today, which was super awesome. It was fun. There's your other floaty device. We took the old kayak underneath there, went out in that bay, went all the way around, came back up, came out right over there. Took us about an hour to do it. 20 bucks an hour. A little expensive, but they said they're not really picky about they're not really picky about how long you actually take with the kayak. I mean, we got there at a little after 9, and they said, oh, we'll say that you left at 9:30. So right there gave us an extra 15-20 minutes. So that was pretty nice, and we got back probably 15-20 minutes later. Right here, unless you have really strong feet, it hurts. Pavers is nice. Let's tilt these chairs up because now the humidity is pretty high, and overnight they get very dewy. It's your fire pit with my charcoal grill in there. It's your table, my griddle, chairs of course, and they give you another table with chairs, 4 chairs, so you got 4, 5, 6 chairs, all paved. Pretty nice site. Young vegetation. So give it some time. This place just opened this year after the hurricane destroyed it. So here's your site. Got a little bit in the front here where you park the car. There's your first stub out for sewer. Guess we got a really big rig. There's 2 stub outs for sewage. Here's your hookup. We're at site 1006. Got all your normal stuff. It's all brand new. Everything works good. There's your hose bib. Here is your cable TV, which does not work. My neighbor was out yesterday or day before yesterday trying to keep messing with it, spinning it in tight, and I said don't bother, it doesn't work. And then right here in the back is your other stub out. Now, food for thought, my stub out for my clean out is right back there, about maybe a foot off the ground, 10 inches to 12 inches off the ground. This stub out, probably a good foot off the ground. So maybe with, and there, look at that. You got a window on the back of your RV? Fantastic. So maybe in your travel trailer, your fifth wheels, they sit up a little higher, so probably won't be as big of an issue. The site was pretty level, except for I was a little more to the driver's side down, so I had to unhook and then re-level out. There's a quick view across the way. And then here's your site. My car's in the way, of course. And here's your site. Pretty nice. here is from your porch side. Plenty of room to park your truck, car, whatever you got. That's what's off your back. Super cool. Water's nice and cool. Now we just left the camper, walking down towards the boat ramp slash dock slash store, which is closed now. But we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, that makes sense because we're 1006. So here's your ramp. And here's where you can rent these paddle four-wheelers. Don't know what those are for there. Maybe just to sit and watch the water. Here's your tandem kayak, which we took out today. Single kayak. There's a canoe. Stand-up boards. The kayaks are $20 an hour, and the stand-up boards, SUPs, I believe are $20 an hour. So that didn't sound right. But these little bad boys, what you lay down on, that goes in the water. So you got like a glass bottom boogie board. Those are $5 an hour. Those are people that brought their boat. And you get to store your boat here, probably for a fee.
Yes.
I have no idea what the fee is, but you know it's a fee. This guy just parked the way he wanted to. It's a personal boat. Like I said, they got pontoon. I believe this is one of them. I believe they have two. Not sure, 100% sure, but I believe they have two. Here's where you get your shrimp. Here's where you get your good luck for your fishing day. And up here, they're open 7 to 5. But they have all kinds of goodies in there. I got some nice fishing shirts that say Sugarloaf Key on it. They got, which you probably can't see because of all the glare, but they got hooks and some lines, you know, just odds and ends. Not all the goodies, but some of the goodies. Personal boat. Nice little place here to sit over here. Fire extinguisher. They got some boat fuel here. They got these little wash stations every site. This guy here's got his get her done fast boat. And they also have your cleanup station.
This is a big one.
So when you get done catching your goods, you can fillet them up. That's the end of the dock. I believe this is one of the rental ones also.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But you got picnic tables here. Alright, let's go on. And over by the marina, there it is. Welcome to the southernmost KOA. Iguanas, by the way, do not see them everywhere in the Keys. We've seen one deceased one on the side of the road, and then my friend Brandon seen one on a tree at one of the campsites in here. Went down to Key West, went to the Honda Park. Never seen one. But this is their new vacation suites that they're building. Now we'll go check out the pool. Uh-oh, there's a cannon. Got some, looks like bocce ball. Hammocks everywhere.
Get out of the way.
I got a beanbag made out of concrete. There's your pool.
They're all in the pool.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is your bar area. Live entertainment. Okay. That's walking out of the pool. Here you walk down. And there is your cafe / general store.
Oh, I haven't been in there. I didn't know they had a general store.
Yeah. And you can park here. We have nice furniture everywhere. Right over here is your laundry room. Alright. KOA operator. Heck yeah. New cars to buy. A nice little place. There's a little store. Alright. Here's the bathrooms and showers. It smells really clean in here. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Very nice. Very clean. Not air conditioned, but not as hot as it is outside.
Oh, I thought it was air conditioned.
Here's another laundry room. And here is a lift for the handicap. And right across the way is the tenting section. So, kind of wrapping it up here. Oh, by the way, Wi-Fi is very good. Stayed at Naples. They had very good Wi-Fi. This KOA, very good Wi-Fi. Best I've had anywhere. Even better than Fort Wilderness Campground, Disney. And I love that place. So, I would definitely give this place, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. Definitely gonna come back later down the road. But I'll definitely be back. Probably won't be to this place, but I want to go to Boyd's, Bahia Honda Park. Those are on the list, so definitely do it again. Good Wi-Fi, horrible cable, good sites throughout the whole park. Nice pool, nice amenities outside of a kid's playground. That's the only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10, because they don't have any place for kids to play in a playground setting. Granted, you got beach, you got a pool, you got the ramp. So I mean, I kind of get it. They want more spaces, you know what I mean? So there is a dog park too. It's a small one. I believe it's got fake grass in it, but it is here. So all in all, great park. Definitely do it again. Thank you for watching. Be good, have fun, live that life.